Question number 4. Y equal x square minus x minus 3. Sketch the curve with the equation, right? First of all, we need to sketch to find roots. Y equals 0, x equals 0 or x equals 3, 0, 0 a repeated root or 3, 0. When y equals 0, when x equals 0, we don't need to worry now. Coefficient of x cube term is positive, hence x goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive, x goes to negative infinity, y goes to negative infinity. Now we can draw this. Zero, zero, and this one 3, 0. X and y. Y equal, this is x square minus x minus 3. Part B is I have to sketch y equal 2x square minus 2x minus 3. Now I have to sketch this graph. Now I can see that I'm comparing those two curves. So I can see that I see x here. Instead of x, I can see 2x. Minus 3 as it is, minus 3 as it is. Then I guess instead of x, is going to replace with 2x. Then I'll check this side as well. Yes, instead of x, now it is here 2x. It means if this graph is fx, what is this graph? F2x graph. Then, since I know fx, now I can do f2x. F2x is stretch of stretch of fx with a scalar factor. So we don't touch y values. We have to deal with x values, all the x values, and multiply by half or divide by 2. Both same. So 0 divided by 2 is still 0. This point is going to be same. But when I divide 3 divided by 2, it is going to be 1.50 or 3 over 2, 0. Then this point is stretching up to here. So this stretch is a squeeze. Earlier it was here, now it is here. Now this is 1.50. So graph is going the height has to be the same height. This is 0, 0. So this graph is f2x. Now the other one. I can see y equal minus x square x minus 3. When I look at this, when I compare this one and this one, x minus 3 is as it is, x square is as it is, just a minus sign. It means if this is fx, this one is going to be minus fx. It means this is going to be a reflection of fx graph on x-axis. So minus fx is a reflection of fx graphs on x-axis. And when so this I to be, I don't need this curve actually. This is the fx curve and it has to be same height. This part is going to be like this and it's going to be like this, and this part is going to be like this. So this is the reflection. This is minus fx. Question number 5. Y equal x square. So this is going to be x plus 4 and x minus 1. To find roots, y equals 0. X plus 4 times x minus 1 equals 0. Minus 4 or x equal 1. Minus 4 0 and 1 0. And when x equals 0, y equal minus 4. So 0 minus 4 another point. And a is 1 greater than 0. Hence x goes to positive infinity. Y goes to positive infinity. X goes to negative infinity. Y goes to positive infinity. In other way, we will tell that it has a minimum. I draw the graph. So this is minus 4 0 this point. This is 1 0 and this is 0 minus 4, and this is the gap between 4 and 5. This is should be x equal 2.5 basically. Now this is the graph. Now part B, this is y equal, I'll write fx as well. Then part B is 5y equal x square plus 3x minus 4. I know 5y equal this one mean this one, which is fx. It means y equal, I divide by 1 over 5 fx. So now you can write 105 times fx is a stretch of fx with scale factor 1 over 4, scale factor 1 over 5 vertically. So we know that in here x values are fixed, y values is going to be changed. Let's take few x values, 4 minus 4 0. So this is going to be minus 4 0, then 0 minus 4, and this is going to be 1 0. Now we have to multiply by to find 105 fx minus 4x value. 0 times 105 is still 0. Then this one 0 as it is, we don't touch x values. Then minus 4 times 105 minus 4 over 5, minus 4 times 105 minus 4 over 5, and then this is 0, this is 1, as it is 0 times 105 is 0. It means graph is still going through these 2 points, but this point is now where? This point is going to be minus 4 over 5. It means less than 1, somewhere here. So the graph is going to be something like this. And this point is now 0 minus 4 over 5. Question number 6. Y equal this one. Now we have to draw this one to find roots. Y equals 0. So x square minus x minus 2 square equals 0. X equals 0 or x equal to 0, 0 or 2, 0 are the other roots. And coefficient of x4 is positive. Hence, when x goes to positive infinity, y goes to positive. X goes to negative infinity, still y goes to positive. And let's work. And both are repeated roots. Let's draw the equation now. Graph. Now I draw the graph. 2, 0. And this is 0, 0. So this is the graph. Now part B. 3y equal minus x square, x minus 2 square. Right. If I take this is fx, I know this is going to be fx. So 3y equal minus fx now. Now y equal minus 1 over fx. Now we have two roots actually. One is uh, I can fx turn to 1 over third fx. Then I have to do minus 1 over third fx. Or other root. Fx I am turning to minus fx. And then third to minus 1 third fx. You can use any roots. So my plan is I will I have this one, then I will do this one, and then I have to get the uh, reflection of x here. So I'll make 1/3 from here and then reflection. So you can get the reflection and the 1/3, but I feel this is easy. So first of all, 1/3 fx, then second is minus 1/3 fx. I have this is a stretch with a scale factor 1/3, and this one is reflection of 1/3 fx along x-axis. Now I am looking this one. Now I am in trouble. 0, 0, I got 2 points. I know. Now these values are fixed. Only 0, 0 here. So I have to multiply by this one by 1/3. So 0 times 1/3 also 0. So that is, yeah, this is for fx. Now this is for f 1/3 fx. Right? 0 times 1/3 also 0. 2 as it is, 0 times 1/3 or 0. This point is going to be fixed 2 point. Now I don't have any other points. Now I have to get the points. Or I have to use my sense. In a previous graph I can remember, if this is y equal fx, then what is the graph of this one? Y equal half fx. Right, when the skull is redoing, it's becoming more and more expanding. I said, I think earlier somewhere it's like a blossoming of a flower. This is look like y equal 2fx. Right? So it is straight. Likewise, in this graph, in that case, I can think about something like this. So this is the stretch. In other way, all the y values, assume I I want to this height. I want to divide 3, and it is 1/3 mean one piece. 1, 2. All the height I divided into 3. I mean 3 lengths. Right? I want to take 1/3 of it. I want to let it 1/3 go away. So I think this graph is fine. This is y equal one third fx. You can find some points if you want here. You can put to this equation x equal minus 2 and take a point here. X equal 1 and get a point, another point. Then you can work on that point. You can expand the number of points assuming a value. Right? X equal, let's say, x equal 1 for this graph, fx graph. When x equal 1, we'll work out y equal x square minus x minus 2 is square 1 square 1 minus 2 is square 1 minus 2 is minus 1 square is 1. So 1 1 is 1 point. This graph goes when x equal 1, y equal 1. Then this is fixed and this one divided by scalar factor multiply by 1/3. It means this is 1/3. So this is 1 point. This is 1/3 point. If you want to take a point, you can work out or you can use your general sense. Now the second bit, minus 1 over third 4. It means I want to reflect this 1/3 4 by x-axis. So in that case, it's going to be something like that. So this part is this one, reflection, and this is in the same height. Same shapes, and then this part is going to be this one. So this is going to be y equal minus 1/3 fx. Y equal minus 1/3 fx.